Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create a NSFW channel in a Discord mobile application. So you have a Discord account that you use to connect to different servers in Discord. You have a server full of friends, you have a server for gaming, etc. And now you have created a server. In that server you want to create a NSFW channel, or you haven't created a server, you still want to create a NSFW channel, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to create a NSFW channel in a Discord application. So what is NSFW channel? NSFW stands for Not Safe for Work, which means the content or the people or the community that you're creating will be 18+ rated. So to upload or create a 18+ content in Discord, you'll need to create an NSFW channel. Or else Discord blocks the user or blocks the content that you're uploading if it's not rated and uploaded in the NSFW section. You might have the chance to even get banned from Discord forever. So the first thing you want to do in order to create an NSFW channel in a Discord application is open the Discord application. Once you open the Discord application, you land on an interface like this. If not, just press the back button, you land on this interface. Now, to create an NSFW channel, you first need to create a server. If you already have created a server, skip this step. If you haven't, follow what I do. So to create a server in the Discord mobile application, what you want to do is tap on this add button on the left side of your screen. Once you tap on that button, you'll see something like this. Here, what you want to do is tap on create my own. Once you tap on create my own, you'll land on an interface like this. Here you'll have two options. One, to create a Discord server for you and your friends, or to create a Discord server for the whole community. So choose what you want to do. Once you do that, you land on an interface like this. Here Discord will ask you to name the server, so go ahead and name the server whatever you want to. Then you'll also have the option to upload a picture. If you want to, just tap on this button, then open a gallery, select an image, size it, then upload it. Once you do that, what you want to do is tap on the create server button to create your server. Once you do that, Discord will ask you to start a conversation. So type in a topic that you want to talk about, or type in the topic that you want to upload the content about. Once you do that, tap on take me to my server option. I'll just skip for now. Once you do that, Discord will ask you to invite your friends or families to join that server, or copy the server link and invite other people. So go ahead and do that. Once you do that, you will finally land on an interface like this. Now from here, to create an NSFW channel, what you want to do is tap on the three bars on the top left corner. From here, tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Then a pop-up menu like this will open. From here, what you want to do is tap on create channel. So tap on create channel. Once you tap on create channel, you land on an interface like this. Here what you'll need to do is name the channel that you want to create. Once you name the channel that you want to create, choose the channel type. Whether it's a text channel where you can post images, GIFs, sticker, opinions and puns, or use a voice channel where you can connect to live audio from group conversation. So choose one of these. If you're wanting to upload content, then you will want to go for the text channel, or if you are trying to do something else, you'll choose the voice channel. Once you choose one of those channels, what you can do is you can privatize the channel. If you don't want to do that, leave it at it is. If you want to privatize the channel, just enable this toggle besides the private channel option. Once you do that, tap on the done button on the top right corner. Once you tap on the done button on the corner, the channel will be created. Now to turn it into an NSFW channel, what you want to do is tap on the edit channel option. Once you tap on the edit channel option, you land on the channel settings. From here, in the privacy and safety section, you'll see an option labeled as NSFW channel. Now, to change this channel into an NSFW channel, what you'll need to do is just simply check this box. Once you check this box, you will successfully change the channel into NSFW channel, or you'll successfully create a new channel that is NSFW rated. So that was the simple step in order to create an NSFW channel in a Discord application. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.